All right, some breaking news coming in. Reports of the heroism of the pilots of the ill-fated BSF aircraft. According to reports, the pilots showed exemplary presence of mind and bravery in trying to avoid the populated areas of Shahabad, Mohammadpur. The hero pilots, identified as BP Bhatt and co-pilot Rajesh Shivrain, flew on despite the aircraft being crippled and managed to avoid a larger tragedy by steering the aircraft away from the houses. Now, this is one of the possibilities that we were discussing. It is now confirmed that this is largely the case at this moment. Of course, an inquiry and an investigation, deeper investigation in this particular case is still going on. Jugal Purohit is still with us. Jugal, we can see these visuals also from the site minutes after that particular crash. But take us through this latest information. Remember, you and I were discussing this just a short while ago, that this could possibly be a case where the pilot's presence of mind actually prevented a greater tragedy from happening.
That's right, Sanket. In fact, just a short while ago, I was with those authorities in charge of facilitating the investigation and those authorities in charge of cordoning off the entire area, who basically had a sense of the topography of the region, where the site of the accident was and what was around it. They were the ones who were telling us about this particular instance. They said that this aircraft could have gone anywhere, and in that included quarters of the SPG, the Special Protection Group, which grants VVIP security. Their quarters are around. There is a highway around. There is a tarmac of the airport, which is around. Again, places where there could have been much more collateral damage, but it seems that the pilots managed to avoid getting into any of these areas and crash their plane into a place where there will not be any other casualty but themselves. And as I said, and as we've been discussing, Sanket, this is not for us to decide on it, but this is something that we are relaying based on what we are hearing from people aware of the ground area. This will be borne out, if true, by the investigation, the flight data recorder, and all the other aspects which will actually see a complete reconstruction. That's what the authorities are telling us. They will be reconstructing the entire episode, the final few moments, and from that will emerge the reality of just what was the decision taken by the pilots who are no more there to tell us of their stories, and just how did they manage to steer the aircraft into a place which is surrounded by very, very high value areas, but it still crashed into a place where there was no other collateral damage. Back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, Jugal, let's quickly take a look at what exactly happened. At 9:27 a.m., the BSF flight took off from the Indira Gandhi International Airport. This is the Super King B200. It took off. At 9:30 is when the pilot detected that there was a technical snag, and then he contacted the ATC and said, I want to come back. The ATC gave him permission to land on runway number 10, but he lost contact with the ATC. At around 9:35 a.m., it crashed near the Bagdola village near Dwarka. At 9:40 a.m., a call was made to the fire department. At 10:45, Ministry of Civil Aviation ordered an inquiry.
There was a major goof-up this year in one of the most coveted beauty pageants, Miss Universe. The 2015 host for the ceremony, Steve Harvey, declared Miss Colombia the winner when in fact she was actually the first